Hey everyone, it's Billy here, and today I have the long-awaited unboxing for the Mugen Seiki MBX8TE Eco. I've legit been waiting on this box for 6 months now, I think, but yeah, we finally get to open it, so let's go ahead and get the first bit of tape. Y'all, here it is, the very rare Mugen Seiki MBX8TE Eco new in box. So it looks like the same box as before, it's just, I don't know, they used to have like a little check box thing in the box somewhere, but yeah, here it is. So let's go ahead and get it out. Alright, so first thing that we see in the box is another Proline Warhawk body, so that'll be nice. Actually, I haven't seen one of these in a bit, so that's dope. What else is in here? So, yeah, so this is basically like the big parts bag where you get everything in it. And a little shock bag with the axles in it. Very nice, very nice. And of course, at the bottom we can't forget the chassis. Ooh, hold on. Here's a brand new MBX8TE Eco chassis. That thing is looking nice, especially towards the rear. There's actually quite a bit of chassis left. Yeah, that's pretty much it for like the unboxing bit. I'm probably gonna put it together here in a couple days as Hark is approaching. Don't really know if I'm gonna be able to get it out before that, but that remains to be seen. Alright guys, so that's going to be wrapping up the unboxing portion for this video. I have started actually working on it. I'm not finished with it yet, but we're getting there. Alright, so this is pretty much all I have done on the car right now. Obviously I have the diffs over there. Pretty much everything's good though. I haven't lost any parts yet, and yeah, just getting the front end done. I want to get it done within the next week, hopefully. I'm definitely going to be putting a lot of time into it today as I'm uploading today, so yeah. If y'all have any ideas for videos, as you can see, my channel is pretty dry, so shoot some video ideas to me and I'll probably make the videos just because I need to get some content out, obviously. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.